What is going on, guys? It is the OK COD player here, and today I'm going to be talking about me, some of my favorite games, and some of my favorite YouTubers, and about my channel's future and everything. Alright, well, personally, I like to play sports like golf and basketball, and some football too. But I recently just had a few surgeries on my knee, so I kind of had to stop the football. But anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my favorite YouTubers here before it takes too long. I gotta say, my favorite YouTuber is probably Jericho. Jericho he's really funny, but he's also teaches a lot of good lessons and everything about how to, get through your life and through college and everything. But he calls his audience the Fun Squad. So that's basically what I do. I play for fun. That's pretty much it. Just for fun. And obviously what you're seeing here is a Happy Wheels gameplay. So next is a guy called Tobuscus. If you don't know who any of these channels are, you should probably go check them out. I'll link them all in the description. Tobuscus is a guy who plays a lot of different games. On Tobuscus he posts a lot of He posts a lot of good content that's pretty random, like important videos, like those things called Cute Win Fails, if you've ever heard of those. But he posts a lot more like short little films, but he also has two other channels. One's called Toby Games, where he has a ton of game series, such as Minecraft, Terraria, Uncharted. Actually, I think he stopped the Uncharted. But he's got a great channel. And he's got one more called Toby Turner, where he posts day-to-day vlogs every single day, which I don't think I watch many of them. My next favorite YouTuber is Ant. He does mainly Minecraft, but he's just recently started a Zelda series. But he's a great guy. You should go check him out. He's got a lot of great content. He's great at Minecraft, if that's possible. He's really entertaining. He's always got great content. He's got a lot of series going. He's actually on Machinima Realm. So, next is definitely the Youngscast. Youngscast are two British guys. I'm not exactly sure what they're gonna do in the future, but I've been subscribed to them for quite a while. But I think they're the third most subscribed on YouTube. But they do almost all Minecraft. They've got a great channel. You should go check them out. They've got a great series called Shadow of Israel, which is just wonderful, but they don't release videos very much because you can tell they put a lot of work into what they do. So go check them out. Next is Captain Sparkles, who also does a lot of Minecraft. But if you haven't heard of him, go check him out. He's really entertaining. He's sort of like Ant Venom. Next is Seananners. Seananners is probably one of my first subscriptions on YouTube. He plays a lot more Call of Duty than the rest of my favorite subscribers do. But as you can tell by the name, I play Call of Duty too. I might be uploading some of that in the future. But Seananners is a lot like Captain Sparkles, and I didn't realize that before I didn't know that Captain Sparkles actually got famous by Seananners. Like Seananners kind of found him and made videos and everything, and Captain Sparkles got famous. Next is the Slow-Mo guys. They do tons and tons of cool stuff, like shooting soda cans in slow motion with a pellet gun and all kinds of stuff. They just recently did like a kind of a dolphin dive, shot in the balloon with a pellet gun kind of thing. But they're really cool. They've got a really nice camera recently, and they film like super cool stuff. Next is Ray William Johnson, who I think is #1 subscribed on YouTube. Most of you should know who that is, but he reviews videos and all kinds of cool stuff. He's really funny. So go check him out if you haven't seen him. And if you haven't, get with the system. Get on my level. Next is FPS Russia. FPS Russia does all kinds of guns. I think he's pretending to be Russian, but he shoots all kinds of cool guns and has explosions and all kinds of stuff. And he doesn't upload too often, but I can't really blame him considering he's gotta like buy the guns and the licenses and everything. Next is Wicked Shrapnel. He has a few series, one called This Gun Fucking Sucks, and the other called This Gun Fucking Rocks, which he just recently started. And all he does is Modern Warfare 3, where he's done a few Happy Wheel videos, which are pretty funny. So if you haven't checked these guys out, go check them out. And lastly, there's White Boy 7th Street. I've just recently subscribed to him, but he's really great. He's a funny guy. He's obviously from somewhere up north. He's really great at Call of Duty and Minecraft. He plays both of them. He's pretty entertaining. So, anyway guys, these have been a few of my favorite YouTubers. Let me know what I can do to improve my channel, make better videos. Keep in mind this is my first video, so it's probably not going to be that great. But anyway, with my channel in the future, I'm probably going to be uploading some Call of Duty gameplay. But at this point, I don't have a PVR. But maybe in the future I will. So, if you guys really enjoy Happy Wheels, Minecraft, Call of Duty, keep checking out our channel. Let me know what I can do to improve. Post some of your favorite YouTubers in the comments so I can see what kind of YouTubers you guys like and check them out. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Just let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and I'll try to get them uploaded. Alright, thanks guys. See ya.